Hey, this is Bama Minivanner. I'm going to make a little change in my van. I had this built originally on my first build. If you look through my first video, and this was like my kitchen setup, and it was a little bit too heavy, and just didn't really use it that much. But I think I can repurpose this and turn it into a nice little cooking area in the back of my van. See, I've already dismantled a lot of it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it, eliminate this part right here, and just leave the part on the right with the, with the area I can cook off of, and I'll have a little storage in there too, and we'll see what happens. See, since I have my bed now all the way back to this back door, I'm not gonna. I can't use the kitchen like I used before, so I've got to make it. I want it to fit in this little space right here, and I'm just going to attach it to the bed, and so it'll be steady, and I think I'll have a nice little cooking area. Okay, that's what she looks like now. Got a little area where I put my food and all my cooking utensils in this little section right here, and I've also got some areas down here that I can store things. But this is the best part. I can put my cooker right here. I've got a little spot for it. That's what I originally planned on my very first trip, but I wanted to move my bed back, so this works out good. Pleased with that. I got it connected to my bed, so it's not going anywhere. It's pretty much anchored down. So that's what I got. Getting ready for my trip to Arizona, coming in January. Looking forward to it. Yeah, I'll put a basket down there below, and I'll have a place to put my pans and that sort of thing, so I can have this side here just food, and this over here I'll have all my other things to store for my kitchen. And yeah, see, I cut the top. See, and I got a little countertop there, and I think it's gonna work out pretty well. See, this is what it'll look like when I've got my cooker on there. See, and I can just stand there and cook, and if it's raining a little bit or something like that, I'm protected. And last trip I made, it was fun trying to figure out where I was going to set up to cook. But this is going to be the answer, I believe. So, and at the end of the day, when it's time to wash dishes, see, I've got my little pop-out sink and my water jug, and I can just do my dishes right here too at the end. So this is gonna work out really, really well for me. Pretty happy about it. I'm glad I came up with this idea. But tell me what you think.